It's a real pleasure to welcome you all here at Juan Ayala for the launch of Hello Market, a space where possibilities open up with just one word, hello.
It's very convenient to have, especially when you're on the go.
Our friends from the Green Line Cool Smashers.
Gusto namin i-share kung gaano kadali at gaano ka-easy gamitin ang Hello Money.
Na-hello ko na. Na-hello ko na.
It's been very easy kasi ang bilis lang, isang open lang, isang scan lang sa QR Easy Pay. So, download the app now, guys.
Hello Market, welcome to Gia de Guzman! Na-hello ka na. Hello. Hello. Hello! Morning! Okay!
Enjoy Hello Market. Invite your friends and family to come over. And most of all, keep on saying hello.